They called it Sol 1, the beginning of something greater than any one nation, any one dream. After decades of planning, we had arrived. After 7 months in deep space, the crew of Ares 1 entered Mars' gravity well, with no room for error. Below them, Utopia Planitia, a vast, frozen plain, chosen not for beauty, but for survival. And then, it happened. The first human footprint on another world. This wasn't exploration. This was colonization, the beginning of a new home. Nova Terra Base came alive piece by piece, built by human hands on alien soil. Energy, clean, constant, essential. Without it, everything would die in the cold. Inside the habitat, warmth, air, a fragile bubble of Earth on Mars. Their first meal wasn't grand, but it was earned. Sol 1, the first Martian morning. Stillness, like nothing on Earth. In a place where nothing grows, they planted life. Beneath the surface lay secrets, ancient water and frozen time. Mars answered, a dust storm, silent and deadly. For 12 hours, they waited, eyes wide, hearts racing. But they weren't broken. They rebuilt what Mars had tried to erase. Sol 15, the first Martian lettuce. Life, fresh, green, and defiant. What was once strange became normal. Disaster struck, a micrometeorite, like a bullet through their world. They moved with practiced urgency, every motion deliberate and efficient. There was no panic, no hesitation, only the sharp focus of a team that had drilled for moments like this 100 times in silence. They recorded them one by one, short bursts of honesty in the quiet between tasks. Some looked directly into the lens, others spoke while glancing at the red horizon beyond the window. The messages were raw, updates for mission control, love for families, reflections whispered more to themselves than anyone else. They weren't just logs, they were time capsules, proof they were here, proof they mattered, for Earth, for the ones they missed, for the version of humanity yet to come, watching from a future they hoped would arrive. Earth was listening. Every word, every breath carried across millions of miles. And when the message arrived, Earth didn't just hear it, Earth felt it. In mission control rooms, in living rooms, in classrooms, and quiet corners of the world, people paused. They watched, they smiled, and they understood. Humanity had reached farther than ever before, and Earth was proud. From Mars, Earth is just a pale dot, but their hearts were full of light. And then came the words that would echo for centuries. We are not visitors, we are the beginning.
By Sol 47, Nova Terra Base was running smoother than ever. But deep beneath the regolith, Mars had something to say.